What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today is truck video day. Well, it's two videos. This is one, Borla Touring for a Dodge Ram Rebel. These boxes are massive. If you guys are looking for an exhaust, Borla makes all sorts of them, but we have no idea what they actually sound like. But we do know that the Touring muffler is about as big as the stock muffler. It is ginormous. I don't know much about this exhaust outside of well, actually, Mike, why don't we just start pulling pieces out? I think the tips on this thing are 5-inch polished chrome or something like that. Is that right?
Black chrome.
Oh, oh my gosh. Look at there's no holes in there. It's just one solid quality. That's what it is. Pure quality right there. We need to get a comparison video. So this is a completely stock Dodge, or Mopar, I guess you could say, Mopar Ram. It's actually not a Dodge it's a Ram anymore. It's a Ram 1500 Rebel. It's got the Rebel kit.
Ram.
What? There's not a lot of pipes to this.
No, there's not.
You know the nice part about working on trucks versus working on the cars? We don't need jacks. I mean, it'd be nice to have a drive-up lift to be standing for this, but still, like, we could just crawl into the trucks and be good. My truck, even more so, because Mike hasn't lifted his yet, which is to be coming, I hear. Where's your pants?
What's up, buddy?
Did you show him your Bumblebee Camaro?
I'm super
Or, you mean your Viper?
I'm super jealous. I wish I could walk around with no pants on. That's gotta be comfortable.
The biggest thing is stock sound versus whatever the Borla sound is going to end up being. So we're going to get startup, idle, and some revs. Let's do it. Overcompensating for something. Tool-wise, it's really not that complicated. Need a 3/8" drive ratchet, 3/8 drive extension, 10mm socket, 15mm socket, and probably a pry bar to, I believe that's to get the old exhaust on, or off, on, off.
No, it's to stretch your rubber. To stretch your rubber is out.
Right, to get the hangers.
Yeah, the rubber hangers.
The rubber.
Rubber hangers.
Yeah. So, but you can see the exhaust. It's pretty. It looks like the install is gonna be easy. So let's just get down there, rip the old one off, and get the new one on.
Did you really say that?
What?
It looks like it's gonna be easy.
Yeah.
You've got to be kidding me.
What? You are here, so it's got to be easy.
No.
So Mike's gonna lube up the joints, make sure everything just comes apart a little bit easier.
At least break up some of the mud.
Yeah. He has a little bit of mud on his exhaust. It'll be nice to have something shiny on your truck. How do you feel, Mike?
Tired.
He's a little bit. There's a little bit of mud on.
I need a marathon.
Oh, this thing was muddy. Don't tell me he doesn't go off-roading. I know some of your trucks out there probably look worse, but look,
After I washed it.
baby tips, big covered tips. You ready to put the new one on, or do you need a break?
We gotta be redneck. Fired up with no exhaust on it.
Oh, that's right. Yes, yes. I'm starting to think we really don't need a muffler. I'm kidding. Borla. We're doing Borlas. So, Borla Touring setup. You get the muffler. Looks like a connector pipe and the two exhaust pipes. They made it so you don't have to bend the one over the exhaust. It's actually two pieces. So that's kind of cool that they did that. But yeah, no. Let's get this bad boy on. So in this kit, you are going to reuse your stock hangers. Mics are
this
definitely used. What is that?
It's a ground strap. static electricity from going through the muffler.
Nice.
So then you get all the crosses and rust on your stuff. Make sure you put it back on.
Words of wisdom. So the one thing we're noticing just right off the get-go, the stock muffler is bigger than the Borla, and the stock muffler is not see-through. Where the Borla, you can clearly see the two chambers.
Yeah.
What does it look like?
It's just a big black hole.
Whereas the Borla, let's see if we can actually see the daylight.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can. You could barely see it, but you could see it. Yes, there it is. So with the hangers on the new muffler,
The muffler?
you can actually see them up over there. They're kind of way up there.
They are.
Do you need my help lifting that, or will you be good?
I like how you pretend like you have good shoulders.
I don't have good shoulders, but I'm asking anyways. It's better to ask than not.
I'm gonna karate this thing up. It's done.
Mike, I had no idea you were that good at karate chopping things.
Yes. It's done.
That's wrong.
What?
Over the axle fast. Then we'll crank this girl in there. Slide it up in there like this. Oh, what a pisser.
Oh, perfect fit.
I know.
That Borla quality.
That don't get no easier. Like I did this yesterday and it sucked.
Sorry, it's I'm not gonna get an angle of him getting those hangers on there because it's next to impossible to get his arm up there, let alone a camera. He's eating literally poop because where he goes off-roading, we're pretty sure it's poop. Hope you got your shots, Mike.
It's in my mouth.
So if you're wondering, Lethal, why aren't you doing this? My truck's next. S-type. Get it done. Oh, it's just like all the dirt coming off. Oh.
Dust off of it.
And she's in.
Should we do another fire up? We'll do it in steps.
No. So you don't want to forget your
Clampies?
clampies. Is that really what we're gonna call them?
They're little
Clampies.
clampies. They're the baby ones. I'm not used to having them this small. It's just a 5.7 Hemi. It doesn't need more than 2.5.
This extension piece goes off the driver's side. Mike, you're very good at twirling.
It's so smooth. It's twisted. I'm twisting it.
See, he did forget his clampy. Yeah, he's getting the clampy out.
It's like, no, it's gonna hit me in the face. That's what's kind of.
There we go.
It's because I didn't karate chop it first.
Yeah, karate chopping worked really well last time. We might be under the impression we don't reuse this hanger up here, so we're gonna go look at the other pipe. I think it's only gonna be using this hanger here. Reusing the factory hanger, or well, rubber.
Rubber.
Yes,
Prophylactic.
we are reusing the rubber. Your tire's in the way.
Which tire?
Slide that all up in there.
Yeah, get it all up in there.
Don't forget to put your clamp on there, because that's always just annoying.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. Oh, crikey. Ah.
There we go.
There's that one.
Hey, the tips fit. Oh, that's gonna look amazing. That's gonna look so good. Big, and it just fit. I'm sure it still slides on that joint a little bit, right?
It does.
So it'll fit nice. Don't go too far because you're gonna scratch the edge. Please don't scratch the edge. No!
Why'd you let me scratch the edge?
That looks pretty good right there. It tucks right on in there. God, that's hot. Hasn't even had exhaust in it. What the heck? So now it's tightening up all the brackets. Oh, do you want me to hold this in place?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm being a bad helper. You're typical cameraman.
Yeah, you got to make sure that the is that right where it's supposed to be?
I held it where I thought it would look good. Do you want the tip to be below the cutout, or do you want it to be lined up? Because I was thinking it looked actually nice right there. You tell me. Let's see.
Good Lord. Why is it so far to the right?
Well, I think that other side can still get kicked down, right?
Well, no, yeah, it's got to come out.
Yeah. At this point, we are doing custom fitment. We're just hitting the hanger just enough to get the exhaust out. Keep in mind that this is not a stock bumper, obviously. So Mike wants it out just so, oh wow, that actually, you got it in there pretty good.
Right there?
That looks pretty good. Want me to hold it there while you tighten it?
Yeah.
Foot-pounds.
Did you already tighten the other clamp?
Nope, not yet.
Okay, I'll keep
Holding it.
I'll keep holding it.
Put it in your hand.
This is the most exhilarating footage ever.
Huh?
I kept my finger on the top so it wasn't touching the metal.
Oh, you're good. Ow!
Now we're on the passenger side. We're keeping the bubble tape on the chrome tip so they don't get banged up. Oh god. Sorry, took my hand off it for a second.
Carbon fiber.
Oh.
Really get that weight settings for that toe capacity. All right, now we're gonna line that tip up.
That, I mean, maybe a little more to the right.
This way?
Yeah. Like just a... At this point, the exhaust is installed. Wait, we didn't did you tighten the front clamp? So it's in.
Yeah. Let me crank on that one more time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how it goes. See, I'm not southern enough. Mine's yeah. I got the California yeah, and he's got the yeah. Even I still failed. Yeah. So he's gonna triple check all the bolts, and we're gonna get the first startup on this bad boy Borla Touring exhaust on a Ram 1500. So, the one thing that you guys may be asking, it's like, okay, you did the sound test when the truck just got the exhaust on. Now it's, how does it sound after the exhaust is broken in? How many miles do you think you have on the truck now? Since we put the exhaust on?
350, 400.
Okay, I think that's enough miles to get some build up on the pipes, heat them up, shrink, cold, all that stuff. We'll see how it sounds. So, I'm gonna put the camera down with the same microphone about the same distance away, and we'll see how it sounds on startup and a couple revs. Well, there you have it. Borla Touring. Is it just Touring?
Yeah, the touring exhaust.
Touring exhaust. Well, that's it. The Borla Touring exhaust. Install 1500 Ram. This is a Rebel. Minus the mud. Install, I would say, what? A 3 of 10? Maybe a 2 of 10?
Yeah, if you have some basic hand tools, you can do this.
Yeah, no, you don't have to pay a shop to install this, guys. You really don't. And the tips look great compared to the old tips. Here we.
That is something that nagged me for a very long time.
What?
The stupid chrome tips, because nothing's chrome on the truck except for my trailer ball.
I think it looks good.
It does look good.
I think it looks real good. Borla, you're awesome. I do have to caveat in this video, Borla did provide the exhaust for this install video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. As always, thanks for checking out the content, but until next time, guys.
Oh, you smell funny.
See you on the road. Twisted!
He touched the poop.
That's nice.
So that's one of the big black tips. There's the other one's right there. Oh! I mean, that did it, but... yeah, I mean, you got it.
Shit. Didn't think that one through.